Here's a bold proposition for 2025. What if accomplishing more means engaging with less technology? Not acquiring extra gadgets, applications, or notifications, but actually using fewer of them. It may seem counterintuitive, especially on a tech-oriented platform like TechWave65, where the latest smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and AI productivity tools are our daily focus. However, technology should enhance our productivity, not overwhelm us with constant app switching, screen stress, and digital clutter. Yet, as we approach 2025, many individuals find themselves submerged in these very issues. Overloaded with apps, devices, notifications, and browser tabs, we often pursue the latest AI productivity software or wearables, believing they will save us time, when in reality, they introduce complexity instead. Today, we're turning the conversation upside down. We'll explore the idea: can you enhance productivity by minimizing tech usage in 2025? This doesn't mean abandoning tech but rather approaching it with intention. Think minimalist, streamlined, AI-enhanced, yet human-focused. We won't linger in theory. I'll guide you through a tested system that can cut your screen time by 50%, reduce your app usage by 70%, and genuinely boost your output. First, let's tackle the problem. In 2025, digital professionals and creators often juggle between 10 to 20 applications daily. Project management software such as Notion, Trello, or ClickUp. Communication apps like Slack, Gmail, or WhatsApp. File storage solutions such as Dropbox, iCloud, or Google Drive. Scheduling tools like Calendly or Outlook. Editing applications including CapCut, DaVinci, or Final Cut. Then we have AI platforms: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Midjourney, Runway, and Descript. Each tool is impactful, but constantly switching between them disrupts your focus. Research indicates that toggling between apps can diminish cognitive performance by 40%. This happens not due to the app's inefficacy but because our brains struggle to manage the transitions. Each click, interface shift, and transition takes a toll on our mental energy. Amplify that over an entire 8-hour workday. Hence, in 2025, the key to productivity lies not in accumulating more tools, but in simplifying the experience. Here's the core principle: utilize fewer tools while maximizing their capabilities. This marks the new rule for productivity. Let's begin by discussing hardware. Many individuals in 2025 overcrowd their workstations with multiple devices: laptops, tablets, smartphones, additional monitors, keyboards, mics, cameras, and various chargers. Yet, the most effective minimalist setups revolve around just a powerful laptop, a smartphone, and a mic. For instance, consider the MacBook Pro M3 or Asus ZenBook 14X OLED. These devices are powerful, lightweight, and portable. Pair that with a high-quality phone like the iPhone 15 Pro or Galaxy S25 Ultra. Why not incorporate a tablet? Nowadays, many tasks are more efficiently handled on one dedicated device, your laptop. AI-boosted workflows and universal apps often render tablets unnecessary for numerous professionals. For content creators, a smartphone can adequately replace traditional camera setups. For audio work, consider a Bluetooth mic like the Rode Wireless Go or DJI Mic 2 for various content, calls, and dictations. Minimizing devices translates to fewer points of failure and less decision fatigue. Now, let's shift our focus to software. The modern approach involves one command center, one calendar, one AI assistant, and one content pipeline. That's all you need. Your command center can be established with Notion or ClickUp, functioning as a second brain where tasks, notes, projects, and resources all coexist in a unified interface. Say goodbye to scattered Google Docs, misplaced Apple Notes, and random PDFs. With organized, AI-tagged, and easily searchable content, your calendar becomes essential. Opt for Google Calendar or Fantastical, synchronized across your devices, with AI managing your time blocks efficiently. Use Reclaim.ai or Motion for automating task scheduling around meetings. AI handles logistics while you focus on your work. Next is your AI assistant. Many juggle numerous AI tools. ChatGPT for writing, Claude for summaries, Midjourney for artwork, and Descript for audio. However, the key in 2025 is to consolidate. Select either ChatGPT 4o or Gemini to serve as your primary assistant. Integrate it into your workflow. Connect it to your Notion for generating summaries, creating templates, planning your content calendar, and automating follow-ups. Utilize integration platforms like Zapier or Make.com for seamless connectivity. Content creators? Here's a concise pipeline. Script using ChatGPT. Record with your phone and mic. Edit with CapCut or Descript. Auto caption with Opus Clip, and schedule via Metricool. 5 tools for one effective workflow, all portable. Let's discuss habits and strategy. Productivity extends beyond tools. It's about how you utilize them. Embrace the minimalist principle. 1-3-5. That translates to 1 major task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 minor tasks as your daily maximum. Anything above creates overwhelm. Structure your day into 3 segments: deep work, light work, and recovery. Deep work deserves the best tools: AI, distraction blockers like freedom or cold turkey, and total concentration. Light work can benefit from AI assistance, email filters, meeting summaries, and auto responses. Meanwhile, recovery requires zero technology. Indulge in walks, restorative sleep, and nourishing meals without screens. The real game changer for productivity in 2025? It's not a faster app, it's a rejuvenated brain. With a minimal tech stack, you create space for thinking, focusing, and creating. Even in social media, minimalism prevails. Instead of pursuing 6 platforms, successful creators hone in on 1 or 2 where they excel. They can repurpose content using AI, transforming a single 10-minute YouTube video into 5 TikToks, 3 X posts, and a newsletter, all automated via tools like repurpose.io or Opus Clip. This approach leads to greater reach, reduced workload, and no burnout. However, the emotional aspect of relinquishing excess tech can be challenging. It might feel as though you're falling behind, missing out on the latest AI tools or trendy platforms. Yet, true productivity doesn't revolve around keeping pace, it's about moving forward with purpose. By simplifying your tools, you reclaim your time, focus, and creativity. You'll find that you actually complete your tasks. So, can you achieve more with less technology in 2025? The answer is a resounding yes, if you rethink your approach to technology. If you swap complexity for clarity, quantity for quality, and distraction for deep focus, you'll succeed. Start by decluttering. Uninstall unused apps, silence notifications, and streamline your tools. Create one dashboard, one calendar, and a single workflow. Empower it with AI, not to generate noise, but to ease friction. The future isn't about accumulating tools, it's about mastering the few that truly matter. This marks the productivity revolution you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and activate notifications for more tech challenges, future explorations, and insightful discussions from TechWave 65.